Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Are Ugrasen, whose son was the mischievous Kams, and his younger brother still living? Is Ugrasen happy? Are Hardik and his son Kritvarma happy? Are Akru, Jayant, Gad, Saran and Shatrujit all happy? How is Balaram, the personality of Godhead and the protector of devotees? Hastinapur, the capital of the Pandavas, was situated somewhere near present New Delhi, and the kingdom of Ugrasen was situated in Mathura. While returning to Delhi from Dvarka, Arjun must have visited the city of Mathura, and therefore the inquiry about the king of Mathura is valid. Amongst various names of the relatives, the name of Ram or Balram, eldest brother of Lord Krishna, is added with the words, the personality of Godhead, because Lord Balram is the immediate expansion of Vishnu Tattva as Prakash Vigra of Lord Krishna. The Supreme Lord, although one without a second, expands himself as many other living beings. The Vishnu Tattva living beings are expansions of the Supreme Lord, and all of them are qualitatively and quantitatively equal with the Lord. But expansions of the Yudhiṣṭhir, the category of the ordinary living beings, are not at all equal with the Lord. One who considers the Yudhiṣṭhir and the Vishnu Tattva to be on an equal level is considered a condemned soul of the world. Sri Ram, or Balram, is the protector of the devotees of the Lord. Baldev acts as the spiritual master of all devotees, and by his causeless mercy the fallen souls are delivered. Sri Baldev appeared as Sri Nityanand Prabhu during the advent of Lord Caitanya, and the great Lord Nityanand Prabhu exhibited his causeless mercy by delivering a pair of extremely fallen souls, namely Jagai and Madai. Therefore, it is particularly mentioned herein that Balram is the protector of the devotees of the Lord. By his divine grace, only one can approach the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, and thus Sri Balram is the mercy incarnation of the Lord, manifested as the spiritual master, the saviour of the pure devotees.